What's up, garden friends and family? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a real treat for you. But if you guys are following us on Instagram, you guys should know one thing about us. We are berry crazy, whether it's blueberry, raspberry, strawberries. We like all different kinds of berry plant. But we're gonna plant something today we never really plant, and that's called the raspberry shortcake from Bushland Berries. That plant is so beautiful. To me, it's very compact. It grew about three feet tall and 2 feet in width. So it's perfect for a container plant. You can put that on your patio. If you want, you can even put it inside your house, man. Just make sure it have a lot of sunlight. But I'm gonna put it in this raised bed that I got in front of me. I'm gonna put 3 of them inside. So I want them to grow like a nice compact, so it could be, so it could be nice, so the kids could come up there and pick a raspberry, pick a few, of course, but we definitely gonna get this done. We never did this before, and something different, you know? You always wanna challenge yourself and see if you can get it done. But if you guys stick around, we definitely gonna show you guys how to do that. All right, guys, you wanna make sure you prepare your soil. This soil is an organic mix that I picked up from Home Depot, of course. I'm gonna dig a nice sizable holes. There's a worm. So you can drop your plant inside, the raspberry plant. This is mine. I'm gonna give it a knock or two. See that? Pretty much root brown. I'm gonna wake the roots up a little bit. That's pretty good. Drop that thing in there. You throw your dirt back all around. Oh, one thing. You don't need to fertilize these plants right away. You want to make sure they get used to the new soil. And then you can fertilize them in the spring. But if you're planting them in like November time, like what I'm doing, you could plant them, you could fertilize them in spring. You don't want to fertilize them right away. Just let them get used to their new home. So yeah. We got the first one down. I have more organic mix. See, this is the organic mix I'm using, the powder mix. That's the first one. We're gonna move on to the second one. What's special about this raspberry shortcake plant is that they don't have no thorns on it, no spikes, no prickly stuff. You see? I could rub my hand up and down on this, which makes it easy to work with. Unlike the heritage raspberry, man, they full with spikes on it, man. That thing like got so many spikes, it bores you like crazy. But these are, these don't have that. That's what makes these plants very different and special. And they're so compact. That's what I like about them. They're so compact. They don't grow too big. Neither they don't stay too small. Just 3 feet is perfect. So if you want, you can go out there and get yourself a nice raspberry shortcake plant. So this is exactly what I'm talking about when I say it got thorns on it and it's very prickly. You see the little spikes coming out of this raspberry plant? On like the raspberry shortcake, it don't have this. It don't have this spikes, that be boring up the kids and me too. But this little plant, it gives off a lot of raspberry come summertime, and same thing gonna happen with the raspberry shortcake. But the only difference is, my kids can actually just grab it and go grab a raspberry and go without worrying about, I got a spike in my hand. So those little things are dangerous, man. So just keep that in mind when you want to get a raspberry plant. All right, with a new addition to our garden with more berry plants, of course, you never can have too much berry plants, in my opinion. Just keep planting them things all the time, right? We want to thank you guys for keep showing us love and support and sticking it out with us. We do appreciate that. You guys know that. And you guys know next year is coming. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.